Well, good morning, everyone. I'm out here in front of I guess it would be my first summer fruit. I got a nice looking zucchini here. This is a Gurney's Pride zucchini. And it's the first, I guess, summer fruit that we've had so far. And what I'm going to do with it, we're going to harvest it. And then I'm going to take it in. And we're going to make ourselves some keto zucchini fries. I know a lot of people eat keto as kind of a diet and stay off the carbs and stuff, but this is going to give it a big cut here. I let it grow just a little big before we could get some good, get a lot of zucchini fries out of that. So we're going to go in, get prepared, and then I'll show you how I make my keto zucchini fries. Okay, we're back in the kitchen with our zucchini. Now we're going to make zucchini fries. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat the oven to 400. Go 425 maybe, but 400 is pretty good. We're going to make us some fries. So I'm going to cut the ends off. One end. There's the other. Now the way I'm going to do it, it's just going to cut it in half. Like that. And then I'm just going to take it and just slice down the middle. Slice down the middle on each side piece. Okay. Then I'm going to cut it one more time. Yeah. Try to get them as even as you can. Okay. Here I go. Maybe, maybe just a little bit too bigger than normal, but you can maybe cut them again, like this one here. You might be able to just slice her down one more time, and that would probably be more like you should have, but just about the right size. But let me do that then. A couple of these that are just maybe a little bit too big. Okay. And I'll take my other piece and we'll cut some there. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to save that piece because I think I've got enough here. I think that's enough for just me and my wife. So, I'm going to arrange them here on the plate. And we're going to do something. Now, some people just go ahead and cook them like that. But they really recommend that you take a little salt, put a little salt on them. And what that salt will do is take some of the water, draw some of the water out of them, so they'll cook a little better, a little more firm, and not be as mushy. So we'll do that. And we'll wash this salt off. But we're going to set these aside for a second. I'll let the salt do its work. So, next thing we do is we take a pan, any kind of a roasting pan, and I just put a light coating of I use olive oil, and just a light coating because it's going to help when we put it in there. It's going to kind of bubble and fry a little bit, so it's almost like you're making fried zucchini fries instead of baking them. Okay, so we got that done. Now, what I use is fried pork skins. That's right, fried pork skins. That's what we're going to roll them in. A lot of people use breadcrumbs, but on a keto diet, you would use fried pork skins. And what I do is I open it into the bag, then I take it, and I just kind of crush them down. Best I can. It makes it easier to blend them up. Okay. I take my blender. I take them and pour them in there. Okay. Kind of beat up a little bit. Squished it a little bit. And we're going to put the old blender on top. It won't take more than about 10 seconds. Shake it around a little bit. Make sure they all get ground up good. That's it for that part. Take the lid off. Then I pour it in the bowl, and we've got our breading, or really our pork skin breading. And you can buy the spicy type or just the regular. This is kind of a mixture. I made some earlier. This is a kind of a mixture of spicy and bread, and regular. Take a little dish here. Kind of spread that out in there. Okay, clean off my counter here a little bit. Okay, now egg. Of course, I'm going to use eggs out of from my chickens. I just went out and picked these today. Just as a matter of fact, about 30 minutes ago. There we go. Give me a little spatula here where I'll just we'll whisk these around good. Okay, that's ready. So we've got our egg, we got our pork skins that we're using as breading. Okay, now we're close. Usually you should let these, maybe, if you do it the way, the proper way, maybe 10 minutes and let their water dry out. But I'm hungry and I can't wait that long. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these off, and then I'll be right back and we'll start putting the egg wash and breading them. Okay, we'll get a little paper towel here. We'll pat them off a little bit. They'll accept that egg wash a little better. Okay, that's good. I'm going to take them, put them in the old egg wash, let them sit in there a little bit. Put as many as you can get in there. Get them nice and coated. I'm going to take them and I'm going to roll them in my pork skins. Set them in my roasting pan there. Just keep doing it. Okay, now I'm going to do something a little different. Wash my hands off again. I went out the last couple of days. I've been picking some asparagus. I've got some ones with pretty thick stems on them. So we're just going to do a little experiment here and see how these do. I may have to cut them a little bit shorter and get them in that wash there. And just see. I don't know what they're going to taste like, but give it a shot, see what happens. Get them in that wash. Give us a little bit more breading here. Breaded asparagus and pork skins. I don't know. We're going to try it though. Can't hurt. Heck, we might find something here that's pretty good. I've got so much asparagus that need to find a different way to eat it. Maybe this will work out, maybe it won't. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay. One more here. Stick that right there, wash my hands off. Okay. We're up to 400. So let me go ahead and stick these in. Oh, well, I'm going to look at them in about 7-8 minutes, maybe 10, right around from 7 to 10, right around there. You can usually tell by the breading, the pork skins, you know, it'll start turning dark, a little darker, and it'll be ready. So let me get cleaned up here. We'll take a pause here and we'll come back when they're ready. Okay, we're back. These took about 12 minutes, longer than I thought, because I had cut some of them like bigger fries than I normally probably should have. So it took a little bit longer to cook. But I took out a zucchini and a asparagus there, so we're going to give them a try. Got a little of that Whataburger jalapeno ranch. That's good stuff. You take one, dip it in it. That's good stuff. Let me take one without the ranch. It's good. Now the asparagus test. Not bad. This may be a new way to eat the asparagus right here. Let's try it with a little bit of the Whataburger ranch dressing on there. I think that's better than boiled asparagus. So I got a little chicken here that I cooked along with it. So chicken, some zucchini fries, and some asparagus fries. It's going to be some good eating tonight. Appreciate you watching. If you like what I'm trying to do here on the homestead, subscribe. We'd sure love to build up our subscriber base. And just thank you for spending some time with me. See you next video.